I decided to make a Google Classroom, and it was really easy to make. And I was kind of intimidated at first, but it turned out to be pretty easy. So here's the front page. One thing that I really thought was cool was that students could post right on the page and everyone could see it, or you could make it so they can't post it. But here's the classwork, and you could create assignments, quizzes, questions. But what I thought was really cool was the quizzes too, and it's really simple to make them. And you just put the question here and then the different options. So here, this is how you edit them. Yeah. And then you can type in your question here. And then you can put your options. And you can add images for students that are visual learners, which is awesome too. And it makes it super easy. Then you can just share it to the class. So all in all, I think it's pretty cool and easier than I thought it was going to be. But I definitely think it would be a great thing for fifth graders, especially for assessments and seeing where students are, just having little quizzes and you wouldn't have to grade them.